Hey there, gorgeous. Welcome to LIY Beauté. I'm so excited to share with you today our new LIY lashes. LIY is lash it yourself. So these are semi-permanent lash extensions that will last you anywhere from 7 to 10 days. I'm so excited about this. This has replaced traditional lash extensions for me with zero damage to my own lashes. These are the new LIY lashes from LIY Beauté. A beautiful box showing you the style and the length of the lashes. And these are the Lisette lashes. You can see in here it tells you the name of the style as well as the length. So these are the 14-16 millimeter lashes. These are the longer styles. Each style comes in two different lengths. So 12-14 millimeter and 14-16 millimeter. And when you open the box, you get a cute little welcome card. And these are enough lashes to last 30 days. So each set of lashes will last about a week. You can wear these for 7 to 10 days. I like to switch mine out every week just for cleanliness and sanitary reasons for lashes and makeup and dirt and oil that just tends to get on them. And then you have your bonding mascara and sealing gloss. So this is a double-ended applicator. And then this is our tweezer that you're gonna use to apply the lashes. And then this is a cute little lash spoolie that you can use to brush out your lashes. And in this box, it has everything you need for LIY lashes for an entire 30 days. So I usually just use an oil-based makeup remover or coconut oil, and today I'm just gonna use a little coconut oil. Anything that is oil-based will remove the lashes, and they should come off really easily. I'm just going to gently rub them over my lashes. Now I've had these lashes on for, not very long, these have been on for about 4 days or so. So they're not quite ready to come off, but you can see how easily they come off. They just start to come off. Don't peel them off, like pick them off of your lashes. That is a surefire way to do some damage to your lashes. But other than that, there's really no stress involved in wearing these on your natural lashes. Like I said, they've only been on for about 4 days, so it might take a little bit more oil and muscle to remove them, but they're easily coming off. Everything has come off. Very easy, only takes like a minute or so. Like I said, I just gently kept rubbing the coconut oil over my lashes so that they easily come off, and they come off in these little clusters. And I'm gonna throw those away so I can put the new ones on. Before I start applying the new lashes, I'm gonna make sure that I completely cleanse my face of any kind of oil or makeup, any kind of residual that was left from the coconut oil. The lashes are gonna be applied best with really super clean lashes. So no oil, no moisture. Don't even put your moisturizer on until after you've completed your lash application. Voila. One of the things that I like to do before I start to apply my lashes is I like to take this, the lash spoolie that comes in your box, and I'm gonna take that and I'm going to use our micellar water by LIY Beauté. I put a little bit on the spoolie. And then I just brush through my lashes just to make sure that they're really clean. I did thoroughly cleanse my face and my lashes to make sure I got any oil off from when I removed them. But just to make sure that they're really clean. So, and then let them dry. I'm so excited to show you how to use the new LIY lashes from LIY Beauté. And I have already cleansed my face, I've cleansed my lashes. The most important thing to remember is you need really clean, dry lashes. So no oils, no makeup, no nothing. I haven't even put my moisturizer on after I've cleansed my face. So I've also taken the LIY micellar water, and I have used that to thoroughly clean my lashes as well, just to make sure that they're super clean. And I'm gonna be using the Lisette style today, and these are the 14-16 millimeter lashes. So these are the long ones because I like the long. They also come in 12-14 millimeter lashes. So that way, if you prefer them a little bit shorter and more natural looking, that's the style for you. They come in these cute little sets. So each of these sets lasts about a week. And what I've done is I've gently, with my finger, gently pulled the lashes away from the plastic, just kind of getting them off of there. I did not use the tweezer to pull them off of the plastic. Sometimes if you use a tweezer to pull them off, you can accidentally pull some of the fibers off of the lash clusters. So that's why I have not done that. And I'm gonna start with my bonding mascara. So this end, it looks like this. And I'm gonna lightly coat my lashes with the bond. Just to make sure that I have enough bonding on there. And then I am going to take my little tweezer and I'm going to pick up the shorter lash. So this is the 14 millimeter lash. So there's a couple of shorter lashes in there with the longer ones. And if there's anything sticky that's on the lash from pulling it off the plastic, I just gently pull that off. So that way it's nice and clean. So that is the shorter one. And I'm actually going to start with the longer lash. I'm gonna start on the outside corner and work my way in. And the reason that I do that is because if I start on the inside and then I don't place them correctly, I wanna make sure that I have the longer lash on the outside corner and work my way in. So that way I don't end up with having to put the shorter lash too close to my corner. So I'm going to pick up my lash with the tweezer. So this is the longer one. It's gonna go on the outside corner. And I'm not gonna put it too close to my waterline. Because if you put it directly on your waterline or too close to the waterline, it's gonna poke you in the eye and you don't want that. And pick up my next one. And I'm gonna try to put it right next to that first one without getting it too close to the inside of my lashes. I like that already. That's so pretty. I love that. See, like it's such a difference that it makes. So then one more of the longer ones, of the 16s. And I'm putting it right up next to the previous one. And notice I am able to take my time. I'm not running out of time, or that it's not gonna dry up on my eyelashes, like the adhesive's not gonna dry up before I'm able to get all the lashes on. So now, I've gotten the first 3 on. See, that was quick, right? Look how fast that is. And then this is the 14, so this is the shorter one. And that one is gonna go right. Oh. It's okay. You just pull that off. Try again. There we go. All right, see? Look how fast that was. So I've got all 4 of the clusters on my one eye. You can see such a difference. Now I'm gonna let that one completely sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna go to the next eye. So I'm gonna take my bond again. And then I'm going to gently coat my lash, my natural lashes. Like so. Super easy, just like mascara. Get my lashes ready. Pulled away from the plastic. Take my tweezer. And again, I'm gonna start on the outside corner. Everyone's got one eye that is harder than the other. I think this is my more challenging eye. And the first time that I did these, it was not super fast. It took me about an hour because there's a little bit of a learning curve. I think I redid them maybe like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times at least before I got them right. So if you don't get them right the first time, don't panic. It's totally fine. It just takes a little bit of practice before you're able to really be able to do these quickly. And also so they don't get feel like they're sticking you. But like I said, you really want to stay out, like not super close to the water line. You want to have them a little bit spaced off of your water line on your natural lash. So you place them underneath your natural lashes. If they sit on your water line, they're going to irritate you and you're going to feel like these are just the worst thing ever. But I promise you, once you get used to them and once you put them on and they're, you know, in a comfortable way, they will last 7 to 10 days and you'll have beautiful lashes from the moment you wake up till when you go to sleep. I put that right next to the other one. And they're not really overlapping, but they are kissing, if you will. So they're really close. And that way you don't get gaps in the lashes. It doesn't look like there's a space. And so now I'm gonna take my shorter lash and put that one on my inside corner. So this is the 14, it's the shorter one. There's like a little tiny bit of glue from the plastic, so I'm gonna pull that off. And then that's gonna go in my inside corner. And you can tap it in place with your finger or with the tweezer. I do both. A lot of times I'll just take the end of the tweezer and just kind of tap them in place and wiggle them to where they're comfortable for me. So voila, they are on. I'm gonna go back to this side and I'm gonna take the end that says gloss. This looks like a clear mascara, but really what it does is it's going to seal everything in place, and it's also going to take away any stickiness that is left on the lashes from when I applied them with the bond. And then I take my tweezer and I'm gonna press the lashes. Just press them for like a second or two. And it just helps to seal everything. Press them in place. Voila, they're on. There you go. And so now that this application is complete, this can stay for the next 7 to 10 days. And I have beautiful lashes as soon as I wake up. I haven't even done any makeup on the rest of my face. So, you know, I mean, when I do my makeup, it will even out my skin tone and, you know, I'm able to do all of the regular things that I normally would do. So I can still wear my foundation, I can still wear my moisturizers, I can still put on my beautiful liquid black eyeliner that I love. And that's actually one of my favorite parts, because with traditional lash extensions, I was always told not to wear eyeliner because it can make the lashes come off from just, I don't know if they have oils or something like that, that, you know, ruins the adhesive of the lashes. But with these, I can easily wear them. I can still remove my makeup with makeup wipes, and they're just super easy and I love them. I'm totally obsessed with them since I've been wearing these. So I will never go back to traditional lash extensions again. And strip lashes are beautiful, but they really only last about, you know, they're temporary. You only wear them for the day and then you're done. But these, I can wear them for 7 to 10 days. I can take them off for a few days. I can redo them right away. I just have the most flexibility with these. And I don't know, I just love them. I think they're amazing. Yeah. I can totally shower with them. I can go put my face under the water. They are waterproof. If you want them to last longer, I would just be more careful in the shower. So especially with your cleansers, make sure you're not using a moisturizing cleanser, something that's a little bit more for, you know, oil-free or removing makeup, something that's not heavily hydrated with your cleanser. And then also I would take a washcloth and just gently, you know, just kind of wipe your cleanser off of your face instead of like, you know, dousing it with water. However, like I said, it is waterproof. I put my face under the shower. I splash my face with water and cleanse like I normally do. I'm really not that careful, but some people are. So just, you're gonna be able to figure out how to work with them pretty easily. But I've been able to wear these, shower with them. I have been in a convertible with the top down and they stay on. I have been on a roller coaster and they stay on. I have cried and had emotional moments. And even when I was trying these for, you know, the first time that I wore them, I went and I got a facial. My girl, she's like, oh, well, you know, I'm worried about your lashes. I said, no, it's okay. Just do whatever you're gonna do. It's fine. I can always, you know, I can always put them back on. And so she did a full facial for me, moisturizers, masks, cleansing my lashes, taking my makeup off, the whole thing. And they stayed on after an hour-and-a-half facial, and even a few days after that until I removed them to redo them. They're pretty foolproof once you've got them on. And also these clusters, they do not disintegrate. They hold up really well. So even if you lose one, so let's say you got in the shower and you cleansed your face like you normally do and maybe one came loose, you can easily, once your lashes are dry, you can put a little bit more bond on wherever you lost the lash and take the cluster and put it back on, and it will last for a few more days. So if you lose one, don't panic. It's not that you can't put it on again. You should be able to reuse it and just put a little bit of bond on the lash and maybe on your lashes again and press it back into place, and it should last you for a few more days. But like I said, there is a little bit of a learning curve, so give yourself some grace. Have some patience, because I promise you, once you get the hang of this and once you're used to, you know, the routine of putting them on, you will absolutely love them.